My name is Prince Kumar B.E. I am from Bihar. I completed my B.E. in Computer Science Engineering from Thanakmi Srinivasan College of Engineering and Technology, Chennai. I am 25 pass out. After completing my B.E., I joined JSpiders to pursue one full stack development. After joining JSpiders, I have learned some technical subjects like Node.js, JavaScript, Core Java, MongoDB, Express.js, and also SQL. I am especially thanking to Srinivas sir to continuously guiding me and keep motivating me. And I'm also thanking to all the trainers here. They are good in their fields and they are well experienced, and explanation part is very good here. And I also thanking to all HR department for continuously providing me requirements to get a job. And I regularly practice coding Java inside also JSpiders, and continuously keeping mocking to improve my technical skills and improve my confidence and improve my all the coding parts. And after continuously providing required, I am able to crack the job and get a good secure job. Thanking to all the JSpiders and all the JSpiders teams.